Thank you for coming again to my YouTube channel. And of course, thank you for supporting my blog, Bankruptcy.blog. I appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, you can always post them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. All right. So, what am I talking about today? Another American icon is the only way I can say it. We all know about AVON Products. I mean, they have good products. They've been around forever. Their marketing, their idea of marketing, of selling, basically door to door from friends to friends. Great idea, but unfortunately, they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy a few days ago. Now, the good news is that with Chapter 11, that means they're going to keep the business open. This is different from a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. That means they would just liquidate all the assets and then they would just pay off the creditors that way. Chapter 11, typically associated with a business, although it could apply to people as well, means they're going to continue to keep the doors open, continue to sell products, and what they try to do is restructure their debt so they can continue forward. So that is the great news. The bad news is that unfortunately bankruptcy keeps climbing up for businesses, and for consumers it's slowly inching up little by little, but every quarter it seems to go up, and there has been a substantial increase in bankruptcies when it comes to businesses, and whether it's filing Chapter 7 or Chapter 11. So the good news, if you work for Avon selling their products, or you love Avon products, they're not going away. You can still get those products and everything else, so it will not affect you personally that bankruptcy is being filed. The reality is the bankruptcies are tied into the talcum powder lawsuits. If you heard of those, talcum powder from Johnson and Johnson, they're the ones who have paid out hundreds of millions of dollars in lawsuits. And Avon had products that contain the same chemicals that are used, like asbestos and things like that, were being used in their products, whether it's mascara, etc. So there has been likewise endless lawsuits, each lawsuit tens millions of dollars, and there's probably class action lawsuits pending as well. So they have to now reorganize, get rid of those judgments, reorganize all their debt. They also had $1 billion in debt, but once they do that, that will lower how much they have in debt, and they can continue moving forward. So hopefully we don't lose this American icon as a business. Unfortunately, it's tied to something negative with the talcum powder lawsuits. So if you do believe you have that issue, please reach out to some of these law firms that are specializing in that lawsuit, because this is a serious thing that could have applied, whether because of the Johnson & Johnson case or now some of these products, beauty products like Avon. All right, so definitely look into that. Any questions or comments? You guys know how to reach me. Go check out my blog, Bankruptcy.blog. I have there endless blogs about everything from credit cards regarding bankruptcy, car loans, mortgages, student loans, you name it, it's there. If it's not there, you could always send me an email or even post in the comment section below, where I do pick questions that are sent to me, and that's called the Reader's Question Forum. And I post those questions on the blog, and I do a video as well about it. All right. So take care, everyone. Be safe. Be healthy. If you're selling Avon products, continue the good work. You're good. It's not going to affect you personally. All right. Take care, and I'll see you at the next video.